Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is the second episode of academic writing. I want to be doing it in episodes so that we can go step by step from the very small things in academic writing to the major things. So in the first episode we were talking about the do's in academic writing, or what you should do in your academic writing. If you have not watched that video, you should go back and watch it. It's episode 1 of academic writing. This is the second episode, and we are talking about things that you shouldn't do in your academic writing. Also guys, remember to subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you. And also refer your friends and tell them to subscribe to this channel as well. And you can also share this video with your friends so that they know more about academic writing. So the first point is you should not input jargon, slang, and wacky languages, or for that matter, sexist language. This is because the language, you should use a language that every reader can understand. Yeah. The next one is don't use shortened verbs like don't. Instead of saying don't, say do not. Instead of saying say I am. Instead of saying doesn't, say does not. Yeah. The next one is you should not use a common vocabulary like the likes of etc. Yeah. The next one is you should not use first or second tone of language unless when you're doing reflective writing, and the instructions are to use the first or second person tone of language. Yeah. The first or second person is I. Yeah. I, something like I. Use a general pronoun. Yeah. Also avoid being repetitive and waffling. Do not repeat your points when you're doing academic writing, so that your work is not too bland for the reader. The next one, you should avoid making assumptions and recommendations of your own, unless where you've been told that you should give your own recommendations or your own opinions. Yeah. The next one is you should not mix numbers and words in an unsystematic manner, because it ruins the flow of writing. Yeah. That one you can get, like you should not use numbers inside words or words inside numbers. It won't, the flow won't be good. The next one, you should not have plagiarism in your work. For those who are learning about academic writing from this channel, plagiarism is when for example, when you're writing from this document and you write, avoid being like this point, guys, avoid being repetitive and waffling. Try to write as precisely as possible. If you're to copy this point, you cannot copy directly, because when you copy directly, that is another person's work. So you should paraphrase the work to your own words, so that when you're checking the plagiarism, it will not look like you've copied someone else's work. You know that is a legal offense. Yes. The next one, do not exaggerate the same idea in the paper. It will be very boring for the one reading your work. So try as much to be open-minded as possible. Yeah. And the last one, do not provide generalized contents. For example, if you're performing a strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis, you're not supposed to you're not expected to explain what a SWOT means. You can directly start performing SWOT analysis with the assumption that the reader already knows what that is. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe. This is the second episode of academic writing. I'll be doing more episodes so that we learn step by step. Also, remember to comment in the comment section what you think I should do, or what you think I should talk about, or what you want to learn about academic writing. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.